Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone.
Hey guys, I'm back and I'm super excited because I have some human hair from my good friends over there at Beauty Forever Hair. Y'all know I absolutely love Beauty Forever. I have been purchasing hair from them for a very long time. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this wig, all the details, as well as a link to their social medias. If you're new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you are oldie but goodie, you know how we do human hair on this channel. I have to try a company at least 4 or 5 times to make sure it's good quality. And once I have vetted them, I add them to my rotation, and Beauty Forever hit that mark years ago. I can't remember what I ordered. So like I said, looking at the description box, the wig came in its shipping packaging, of course, but once I took it out of shipping packaging, the wig came in this little iridescent bag that has their logo on it, which is so cute. Like I told y'all, I use these bags for everything but wigs. I store so much in those. I even got one where I keep art supplies because I have to do adult coloring at night to try to calm me. But the wig also comes in its own silk storage sack with their branding on it. Let's see what else we have inside of here. There's the wig, but we also have a little baggie in which they included some HD stocking caps, an edge band, and some press-on nails. So cute. Those little extras always matter, like I say. So the wig that I ordered is a 13x4. It is a body wave. It is 22 inches long, and it's a pre-everything wig. These pre-everything wigs by Beauty Forever are so bomb because literally everything has been done for you, pre-done for you. It's been pre-curled, it's been pre-plucked, it's been pre-bleached. Everything is done. So I absolutely love these units. Let me take this wig out of the packaging so we can look at the cap construction and if there's anything else that we need to note about this wig. I want y'all to see how pretty this wig is right out of the pack. Remember I said pre-everything. Look at those curls on this unit. Y'all look at that. Look at how gorgeous those curls are. As somebody that cannot comb hair, I am in love. Let's also look at this hairline that's also bomb. Everything has been pre-done for you. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything is done for you. This is going to be a super beginner-friendly wig. Let's look at the rest of the cap construction though before I slap this on my head because I'm so excited to see what it looks like right out of the pack. So there's that 13x4 parting space. You also get a comb in the back and some adjustable straps. And they've included these pre-everything tabs on the side of this wig that will make it also lay flush to your head. And they've included some more of those tabs for you to add as needed. This is absolutely gorgeous just sitting on my hand. What I want to do is I want to put this on my head and show you how it looks right out of the pack. I also wanted to show y'all, oops, let me mute my TV. Sorry, watching the campaign. I also want to show y'all the glueless band that they have included with this wig and how different it looks. It's vented. It has that adhesion to it to where it's not sticky to touch, but it'll make it lay flush on your head as well. And it's super stretchy and it is adjustable. So I really like this band. I'm gonna attach this to the wig and apply it to my head, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever. I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me.
Y'all, there are a lot of companies now throwing that around pre-everything wig, but this wig by Beauty Forever truly is a pre-everything wig. The fact that all I had to do was take this out, run a comb through it, and this is what we got, I absolutely love. The other thing I want to show you is how strong these tabs are. So there's a tab here, there's not a tab here, right? So you can see there how I can put my finger on it, but look y'all, it does not lift from where that tab is. This is truly secure on my head. This is truly, it's not going anywhere. So I absolutely love those tabs, and it's so neat because you can really use those tabs on any of your wigs that you get from Beauty Forever. This unit is bomb.com. I think that this is very beginner friendly, but I think that this is a nice wig to have in your arsenal, even if you can comb hair. This is an essential throw on and go wig. You really don't have to do much to this unit, and it's affordably priced. Let me pull y'all down some so y'all can see the full thing. And this is affordably priced. So I could definitely recommend this one. Now this is a 22-inch, did I say 22 or 24? This is a 22-inch wig, so think about that if you want a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. I think that this is the perfect length. These curls are absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I don't have a single complaint. Talk to me in the comments and what are your thoughts on these pre-everything wigs by Beauty Forever, because I am in love. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Can you focus on me?